how to perform the barbell hip thrust. So to get set up for these ones, there's a few things I want you to think about. Number one, find a box that feels comfortable and that your shoulders can sit on comfortably. Your shoulders are going to become the base of your support, not your elbows. From there, you're going to roll that bar onto you. Make sure you're utilizing a bar pad or this will be quite painful. Then you're going to pull your feet back as far as you can get them. You're going to aim for 90 degrees, but we can correct that after the first rep. And then from that point, you're driving your hips nice and high, getting a big glute squeeze, utilizing your shoulders once again as the base of support. If in this position, you're feeling your quads fire a ton, you can modify your foot positioning. So the farther forward your feet go, the more you're going to utilize the posterior chain, hamstrings, and glutes. But keep in mind, you can go too far. So find that sweet spot, aiming for about 90 degrees where you can feel your glutes working nice and hard. You also want to think about keeping your core heavily engaged in this one. Like any sort of hip hinge movement, the more core engagement we get, the easier it's going to be for the glutes to fire because the lower back can't work as hard. We've created a lot of strength and stability that way. Some additional tips on this one is if you're not feeling your glutes working, drive your knees nice and wide. You can even utilize a band to make that harder and add a lot of heel pressure. We want to take the quads out. We can use positioning and pressure to change that.